I'm gonna. All right. David Bartley's last day.
You're not going after Craig, aren't you? Good deal.
There you go. Oh, good. Modified chain gun. Oh boy. Oh dude, it failed. Oh god, it failed on him. This is lame. Oh my god, this is lame. What happened? There we go. There we go. And he's just got a missile that he just tagged him with.
Little help here, guys.
Man. Wow.
Going out with a bang. Wow.
Does he have one more? And it's done. Wow.